Welcome to ComplyRelax. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily track the tenure of different directors and auditors using the Tenure Tracker feature in ComplyRelax. Instead of maintaining separate Excel sheets or manually checking appointment dates, ComplyRelax gives you a centralized dashboard to monitor every important tenure in one place. To begin, simply go to Secretarial Practice from the left main menu, then click on Tenure Tracker. Here, you'll find separate categories for Managing Director, Whole-Time Director, Independent Director, Additional Director, and Auditor's tenure. These directors are generally appointed for a fixed tenure. Before their tenure expires, the company is required to complete the reappointment process wherever applicable. With the Tenure Tracker, you can monitor these important dates well in advance and avoid missing any deadlines. The best part is that ComplyRelax automatically fetches the relevant director details from your director's master. For every record, you'll be able to view company name, director name, DIN, appointment date, expiry date, etc. If the tenure details record is available on ComplyRelax, the appointment date and expiry date will automatically appear here from your existing records. The MCA does not provide the director's tenure expiry date. Therefore, if the record is not available in ComplyRelax, you only need to enter it. The software also displays the age of director, making it easier to identify cases where additional approvals or compliances may become applicable based on statutory age limits. In the Additional Director section, you'll find two tabs, Pending and Regularized. Once you have regularized the Additional Director, simply enter the regularization date. Once saved, the director will automatically move from the Pending tab to the Regularized tab, where you can view all regularized records. In the Auditor's Tenure section, you can view the tenure details of all auditors. To quickly find specific records, you can apply filters based on category, companies, auditors, and financial year. You can also use the search option to locate any record instantly. Further, two tabs are available here, Active and Ceased. These tabs help you view auditor records separately based on their current status. To ensure you never miss a tenure expiry, ComplyRelax also displays these records in the Expiry Manager. As the expiry date approaches, you'll receive timely reminders, helping you complete the reappointment process well before the due date. That's how ComplyRelax helps you monitor every important tenure from one place. This helps you stay proactive, complete reappointments on time, and ensure better compliance management. Thank you for watching.